Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, look for the option called sounds and vibration and select it. And here scroll down, find the category called volume, and right here we have ringtone and notification volume, call volume, media volume, alarm volume. And you can also enable and disable the option to ring while on the wrist. Okay, to adjust the volumes, you can simply find the volume you want to adjust, for example ringtone and notifications, and then tap on the plus and minus buttons. And you can do it for every type of volume. And once you're done, of course, you can just press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.